Let's get started with today's recipe. Now here I've taken about 250 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it up into small pieces. I've added about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and some salt to taste. Now I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of chicken tandoori masala, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of thick curd, and we're going to mix all of this together and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Now here I have cooked some basmati rice, about 1.5 cup, till it's parboiled. This is the chicken marinating. This is 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic made into a fine paste. Now here I have some oil heating up, about 1.5 tablespoon. I'm roasting about say half a cup of cashew nuts till they're nice and golden brown in color, and they should look like this. Then I have about 1 large onion thinly sliced and fried till golden brown, and this is some saffron in 1/3 cup of warm milk. So now once my oil is heated up, I'm going to add this onion and garlic paste. You can also use clarified butter or ghee. Now I'm going to add the marinated chicken into it, and I'm going to fry it well till it starts leaving out oil like this. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, which I've crushed up and added to the chicken. So this itself becomes like a recipe. You can have this as a side dish. Now I'm going to make the biryani. So I've taken a large pot. I've added about 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Now I'm adding some potato slices, which I've just lightly fried in the same pan as I was roasting the cashew nuts. Then I'm going to add half of the chicken that we have prepared. Then I'm going to add half of the rice that we prepared, and then goes in all the remaining chicken. So get all that goodness over there in the second layer. And then I'm going to add the remaining rice. Just even out the rice as this is the top layer. Now I'm going to be adding all the lovely fried onions. So take a large onion or maybe 2 medium onions, thinly slice them, put about half a tablespoon of ghee in a pan and just fry them till they're nice and golden brown. Now I've chopped up some pudina or mint leaves, about half a cup. Then I'm going to add some chopped up coriander, about half a cup. Then goes in this saffron or kesar milk that I have prepared. I just took 1/3 cup of warm milk, added some saffron strands, let it sit for about 15 minutes till you get this lovely color. Then I'm going to add that. And these are the lovely cashew nuts that we roasted in the clarified butter or ghee. And then I'm just going to add about half a tablespoon of ghee. And I'm going to cover this. Now this is the cover is really heavy, so it gets nice and tightly covered. I'm just going to put a heavy weight on it. You can also put some dough on the sides to seal it. And I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes on a very low flame. And after 20 minutes, let the the biryani sit for some time, and then when you open it, you get this beautiful aroma of the biryani and all the lovely things that we added to it. And then just give it a mix when you're ready to serve it, and you see this beautiful color of the kesar or the saffron that has given a lovely color to this biryani. And that's it, friends. Your biryani is all ready, and it's so simple and so easy with very few ingredients. And serve this up with some nice chilled curd or dahi. It tastes super, super fantastic. So guys, I hope you liked today's recipe, and if you did, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere